Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Venus. Like other top altcoins, Venus is also dropped at the support of a very big pattern, and Venus has formed a very big down channel on the monthly time frame chart. And in today's video, we will take a look whether Venus is going to break down this support, or from here, is there any possibility that Venus is going to break out the resistance of this down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and let me show you this monthly time frame chart here. And we can see that Venus is dropped. If I show you from this high to this low, then you can see that almost 98% low right now, and from this high of May 2021 to this low. And if we switch to the weekly time frame, then previously Venus formed an up channel, and this was the support. Here we had this uptrend line support, and this was the resistance. And after breaking down this channel, the target was here at the bottom of the channel where we had these candlesticks, and you can see that after breaking down, Venus dropped at this support. Now it is also possible that, like Venus has dropped at this support that we have at 3 cents, it can also move back to the previous high of May 2021 if it will break out this next down channel. And you can see that we are testing the resistance more than the support. That is another signal that eventually Venus can break down this very big down channel. And as you know that the up channel and the rising wedges are considered to be a bearish bias, and here Venus has done that, and it has broken down the support. And we had a very long-term bearish move, and right now it has formed a very long-term bullish bias pattern, that is the down channel. Previously we were moving in the up channel, right now we are at the down channel, and recently we have also tested this last support. This can be called as a last support because you can see previously back here in October 2020 it has been breaking as a support, and for several weeks it has been breaking as a support, this $3 level. And if we take a look at the daily time frame, then after just touching this support, we moved up. We had a nice bounce. Now we are having a support of $3. We also having a support of this very big down channel as well. And after that, our next resistance will be here at $6. And after breaking out this $6 and the resistance of the down channel, there will be a very strong resistance zone that we have from $13.30 and goes to $15.50. And you can see previously it had been breaking as a strong support zone here, as well. And after breaking out this channel, once we will be able to break out this zone, that I'm expecting that after breaking out this channel soon we will break it out, then we can even hit the previous high, or maybe we will cross the previous high. However, the target for this down channel, the technical target, will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $39, and right now we are moving at $3. That will be also a very big move. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see on the weekly time frame, the candlesticks are moving in a sequence to the downside, and this sequence has formed a down channel on the daily time frame chart as well. And this is the newly formed down channel, and right now we are after this fake out, we are re-entered in this down channel. And for example, if XVS breaks out the resistance of this channel, then the target for this down channel will be here at $15.50. And again, if we will break out this resistance of the down channel on the daily time frame, then this $6 will be again very strong resistance for the price line, because previously it had been breaking as a support and resistance in the long-term history of XVS. Here it was breaking as a resistance, and recently even it was breaking as a support here in January 2022 as well. Therefore, after breaking out this channel, we will also need to break out this resistance of the $6 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.